Everyone, good morning, and you're welcome once again to the Power User tutorial for Microsoft Excel. My name is Benga, and today we'll be talking about two really interesting functionalities which Microsoft Excel possesses. One of them is the use of the logical function if, whereas the second is the use of conditional formatting. Now, what we have before us today is a database showing client information. These are clients belonging to a firm that sells ad spaces. As you can see, for the headers of our database, we have a column for column for clients here. We have a column for billboard locations, start date, duration of campaign, and then terminal date, and then we have a section for comments. Now what we want to do is be able to make our database be able to tell us when a particular ad for a particular client has exceeded the date paid for, so it flags it, and then the media seller, so to speak, will be able to say, will identify and say, yes, we should take that ad down. Now, without further ado, let's move on. First thing we'll do is we'll create a section here on C3 which reads today's date. We're going to enter a function which will always return today's date to us. Press enter. That's 17th of August. So we come down here to the comments. So what we'd like to achieve here is we want our if function to go ahead to check and to see if our terminal date is less. Our terminal date here is less, that's for the first record, is less than today's date. You should please take down the advert, and actually that makes sense. So we say equal to if bracket open if F8 is greater than C3, and I lock my 3. I want you to valid, else I ask him to please take down. Press enter. Come down here, click on the first one and double click, and then it highlights them accordingly. Apportions the appropriate comment, meaning that, for instance, that the first one for XYZ transport should be taken down, whereas the second one is actually still valid. Now, the next phase of this tutorial will actually examine the use of conditional formatting to flag it such that we apportion specific colors to specific comments. For instance, please take down, want it to reflect as red, whereas one valid to actually show as blue for easy identification. So the first thing to do is to highlight the G column like this, and then we move to the home tab of our ribbon, move to the styles group, and then select conditional formatting. Click on that, scroll down to the end. That's under manage rules, and then this box pops up here. Bring it to the center, and then we say new rule. Select new rule, and then we choose the second section there, which says second option, which says format only cells that contain. We say edit the rule description. Format only cells that contain cell values. We don't need between, want equal to. So we say equal to, and we type in exactly what we want. I want equal to please take down. Essentially, what's the format that I should apply? I'd apply a simple one, just fill it with red. Just make sure it's red so it's easy to identify. And I apply. Now the second rule, I create another rule now, which says same thing, format only cells that contain cell value equal to valid. I go to format, and I choose dark blue for easy identification, for ease. And then I choose apply, and you can see it has applied it there. I click on OK. So with that, you already have your flags indicating that please take down these records, easy to identify, and whenever the date changes here, essentially the terminal dates and the comments actually are kept in line with that. So thank you so much for listening to today's tutorial. Hope you've learned a thing or two. Have a good day.